Good evening guys, let us have some discussion on adders. Adder is a digital combination logic circuit that is used to perform some mathematical addition on binary numbers. Therefore, these adders are also called binary adders. Binary adders means which add the binary numbers called zeros and ones. Adders are basically classified into two types. They are the off adders and the second type of adders are called full adders. Off adder. It is an adder that is capable enough to add only two numbers. Means, let us consider the first number as A and the other number as B. The first number is, let the first number is A and the other number is B. So, an off adder is capable enough to add two numbers called A and B. If you consider two numbers, if you add two numbers, or if you consider two numbers as A and B, and if you add these two numbers, it produces two different outputs called sum and carry. Produces two outputs called sum and carry. I already told you, it is not a logical addition, it is a mathematical addition which is going to be performed in adders or binary adders. In logical addition, logical addition is always represented with a simple logical OR operation. But in adders, there exists some other output called carry. If you consider two inputs, there will be four combinations. The four combinations will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So if you perform some addition operation between A and B, 0 plus 0 will always, the sum value will be 0 and it doesn't produce any carry because neither of the value is 0, neither of the value is 1, sorry. So it is 0. Here A is 0, the second case B is 1. Means the value of A is added to the B value as 1. So 0 plus 1, the sum value will be 1 and the carry is 0. Coming to the next one, 1 plus 0. The value, since it is nothing but A and B are reversed here, so the value of the sum is also 0. And here 1 1, whenever you add two ones in decimal, it is called 1 plus 1 will be in decimal is equal to 2. In binary, if we add 1 plus 1, the value in a logical OR operation or logical addition operation, it will be 1. But since it is a mathematical addition, 1 plus 1 will be surely equal to 2 as per as our decimal. The same value I am representing with respect to binary as 2 is represented in a binary as 1 0. The same 1 0 values I used to do. Where this 1 goes, if 1 becomes a carry. 1 plus 1 is called as a carry. 1 plus 1. So 0 with carry 1. The sum value will be 0, the carry value will be 1. Because the 2 in binary is represented as 1 0. See, I am adding 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 in decimal. So 2. If I divide this, I will convert this decimal into binary. 2 ones are 1. The remainder is 0. So if you have the formula, the value will be 1 0. So this 1 is called a carry value, which is the leftmost or MSB bit. The LSB bit which we got here, it becomes the sum. So I have wrote the same sum value as 0 here and carry value as 1 here. This is called a mathematical addition. In mathematical addition, there will be a carry and sum. And moreover, next case, let us have some logical expressions can be derived for sum and carry by using a K-map. Since there are two inputs, I use a two variable K-map here with two inputs called A and B here. From K-map rule, it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So which values are 1 for sum? I am deriving for sum here. So it is 1 and 1. So the maximum possible grouping will be 4 for a two variable mapping. There are no 4 ones in the cells. So this is a 0 value, this is a 0 value. My intention is to provide a sum of product term or a min term values for this sum value. So we cannot group the dual pairing is also not possible over here. The possible grouping that can be done is a mono grouping or single grouping values. If you group in these values, the value of the sum will be equal to, here it is equal to A bar, here it is A, here it is B bar, here it is B. So the sum value will be equal to A bar B for this term and the sum term for the other sum term will be A B bar. We know very well the values of complement with true in addition with true with complement is nothing but an XOR operation. So I simply read it as A XOR of B as my carry, as my sum. Sorry. Now let us derive an expression or Boolean expression for carry. In order to represent the carry expression, you take another K-map, a 2-variable K-map or 4-cell K-map, either or. Represent the indices in this manner and write the value of that carry. It is 1. So the possible way of grouping over here is this single grouping. So this one. For this, the carry expression will be equal to A. So we have the values of sum and carry. Let us have the logic diagram of this one. This is nothing but the minimized Boolean expressions. The logic diagram for this, so I have two inputs A and B. The two inputs are XORed or performs XOR operation to perform value to produce a sum output, and these two values are multiplied or performs AND operation to produce carry operation, carry output. This is called carry, and I can define it as truth table here. And similarly, we can define the block diagram of an half adder will be in this manner, having two inputs and two outputs. This is my carry expression. Please keep it in the box, as these are very important expressions for adders and which we use in further purposes. The block diagram of this adders will be in this manner. Half adder having two inputs A and B and produces two outputs called sum, carry. Thank you guys. This is a block diagram. This is the logic diagram. These are the Boolean expressions. This is the truth table. Thank you.